Students, here you come that whatever you learned in that last class, let us write a table. Let us form a table of trigonometric functions of standard angles. So here it is table. Sine, so write cos. So tan, sin, cos, tan, NF. So whenever reciprocal values required, you can easily do that in your mind itself. Reciprocal values can be found in your mind itself, right? So sin, cos, tan. So right, sin 0 degree. So 0 degree. 30 degree. So next 45 degree, 60 degree, next 90 degree, 0 degree, 30 degree. We write 30 degree in terms of radians, pi by 6. Pi means pi by 6. Pi means 180 degree. So 180 degree by 6. Pi radians means 180 degree, keep that in mind. 180 by 6 divide. So divide 30 degree. So 30 degree. Or in symbols 30 degree. Pi by 6. Because pi radians is equal to 180 degree. Keep this general point in mind. Pi radians is equal to 180 degree. So right. So right, pi radians, pi by 6, pi by 4. In radians, 45 degree means pi by 4. 0 degree in radians means 0 only. 0 degree in radians, 0 itself. 60 degree, pi by 3. Pi by 3. Instead of using degrees, we use more frequently, we use radians. So radians are useful. So by head to radians, 90 pi by 2. Pi by 2. 180 degree by 2. How much is 180 degree by 2? For 90 degree. 180, half of 180 degree, 90. So right. Cos 0, sin 0. So right. Sin, this is cos. So this is tan. So tan. Sin 0 degree. How much is sin 0 degree? You learned that in the previous class. Sin 0 degree is 0. 0. 0. Sin 0 degree is 0. By head better. Sin 30 degree, 1 by 2. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. Sin 90, 1. For cos, whenever cos required, just reverse it and write. Reverse, you write in reverse way. Cos 0 degree, 1. You write from right to left. For cos values, you start writing from right to left. Cos 0 degree, 1. Cos 30 degree, root 3 by 2. So write cos 45 degree, 1 by root 2. Cos 60 degree, 1 by 2. Cos 90 degree, 0. Cos 90 degree, 0. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. What is tan theta? Sin theta by cos theta. 0 by anything is 0. So sin theta by cos theta. What is tan theta? Sin theta by cos theta. Look at this, students. So tan theta. What is tan theta? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. Divide both numerator and denominator by hypotenuse side. You divide both numerator and denominator by hypotenuse side. So you get tan theta equals opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse, adjacent by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse, adjacent by hypotenuse, opposite by hypotenuse. You know that very well. What is opposite by hypotenuse? Sin theta. Sin theta. Adjacent by hypotenuse means cos theta. From that it is so clear, tan theta can also be written as sin theta by cos theta. How much is sin by cos? Tan by hat. Sin by cos tan. Cot theta. So cot. Sin by cos tan. Reciprocal of tan is cot. Reverse. Reciprocal it. Cos theta by sin theta. Cos by sin. Cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. So tan is sin by cos. Cot is cos by sin. By that. So tan theta sin by cos. Sin by cos. 2 get cancels. Tell me remaining 1 by root 3. Tell me still how much remains after cancelling 2 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3. So tan 45 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. It is 1. So tan 60 degree root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 get cancels root 3. So tan 90 degree number by 0 does not exist. Actually, I told you in the beginning class, students, infinity not exactly equal to number by 0. But so anyhow, we take number by 0 as, we represent number by 0 as infinity, that's all, right? So number by 0, infinity. So now, how to remember this? How to remember? It is so easy, students. You remember just by these numbers. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. For sin and cos, you just by heart this. Remember 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. You by heart 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. So 1. Or you just by heart 0, 1. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. By heading enough. Or you just by these three numbers. 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 3 by 2. Now it is so easy to remember. Sin 0, 0, sin 1, 30, 1 by 2. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. Sin 90, 1. Whenever sin 60 required, cos value is required. Cos 30 is same as sin 60. Cos 0 degree. Cos 0 degree. Cos 0 degree is same as sin 90 degree. So cos 30 degree is same as sin 60 degree. So cos 60 degree is same as sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree. So right, cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree is same as sin 0 degree. You observe carefully how 0 and 90 are related. 0 degree and 90 degree are related. 30 and 60 degree are also related. 30, 60, 0, 90. 30, 60, 0, 90. So whenever cos 0 required, simply recall sin 0. Whenever cos 0 degree required, simply recall sin 90 value. How much is sin 90? 1. You just write that. Why cos 0 degree is 1? Because sin 90 1. Cos 0. Why cos 0 degree 1? Because sin 0 it is not 1. You can remember in any way. Cos 30 is same as sin 60. Cos 30 degree is same as sin 60 degree. How much is cos 30? Sin 60 value. How much is sin 60? Root 3 by 2. Why cos 30 root 3 by 2? Because sin 30 it is not root 3 by 2. Why cos 30 root 3 by 2? Because sin 30 it is not root 3 by 2. Why cos 0 1? Because sin 0 it is not 1. Why cos 45? Why cos 45? For 45 degree, both of them are equal. For 45 degree, sin 45 is equal to cos 45 degree. For the angle 45 degree, both these two are equal. Sin 45 degree is same as cos 45 degree. So whenever cos 60 required, you just recall cos 60 is same as sin 30. How much is sin 30? 1 by 2. So why cos 60? Cos 60 it is not root 3 by 2. Why cos 60? Cos 60 is same as sin 30. How much is sin 30? 1 by 2. So right, cos 60. Why cos 60 1 by 2? Because sin 60 it is not 1 by 2. So right, I hope you got some idea. Reverse ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ. Cos 60 value ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ sin 30 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is enough if you buy these numbers. In case of tan, you buy these numbers. So 1 by root 3, 1 root 3. So right. So these numbers are related to tan. 1 by root 3, 1 root 3. These three numbers are tan 0, 0, tan 90 does not exist. Tan 0, 0, tan 90 does not exist. Just to remember these three numbers, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3. For 30 degree, 1 by root 3. For 45, 1. For 60, root 3. You just tan ಗೆ ನೀವು ಮೂರು ನಂಬರ್ ಬೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. tan ಗೆ sin cos ಗೆ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 0 1 by 2 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2 1. ಇದು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ cos ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಅದರಿಂದನೇ ಇದು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ tan cot ಎರಡು ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. So tan 30 if you get out 1 by root 3 is less than root 3. 1 by root 3 is smaller than root 3. For smaller, if the angle is smaller, you use a smaller number. If the angle is bigger, you use a bigger number. Angle ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೆಷರ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ 1 by root 3 ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಂಬರು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಂಗಲ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಂಬರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಎನಿ ಹೌ these basics are more essential, more required for your higher classes. So right, by that. Now let's go for. So now I am going to discuss. So right, some trigonometric functions. Now look at this, friends. Let us have in this class. So I am going to explain little bit about trigonometric functions of angle more than 90 degree. More than 90 degree. For example, 130 degree. 130 degree. So right, 130 degree. Sin 130 degree. How to find sin 130 degree? If the angles are more than 90 degree, so we cannot draw a right angle triangle for such angles. You should go for reference angle or relative angle. Related angle 130 degree. So look at this, students. 130 degree. So 180. So minus. So tell me that 180 minus 130 degree. So how much is 180 minus 130 degree? 180 minus 130 degree. So right, 50 degree. Is that correct? 50 degree becomes a reference angle. You subtract either by 180 or by 360. Look at this. I show that in figure. So at 180, 130 degree, 90, 0, 90. So 90 plus 50. 50 correct. 90 plus 90 plus 50. 0, 90, 180, 270, 360 degree. 130. Correct ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. So 190. I want 130 degree. It is 90 plus 40. 90 plus 40. 90 plus 40. I take 45 somewhere here. This is 40 degree. 40 degree. So this is 90 degree. 90 plus 40. 130 degree. 130 degree. Remaining is 180 minus 130, 50 degree. This is 50 degree. 50 degree. Tell me reference angle, students. 50 degree. Reference angle is 50 degree. Reference angle. So reference angle is 50 degree. So right, or so you go for that 135 degree. So I take 135 degree. So let it be 130 degree only. The next one I go for that. So 135 degree. So I take 50 degree. Now sine. I go for writing one by one. Sine 130 degree. Sine 130 degree. 130 degree. Which quadrant is this? Second quadrant angle. In second quadrant, sine is positive. Positive. Sine is positive. Sine. Tell me angle related to 130 degree. 50 degree. So 50 degree. That's all. So we don't have this angle 50 degree. It is not standard angle. We don't have particular value, but it is valued. If you have scientific calculator, so you operate sine 50 degree, you are going to get a number related to that. It is valued. So similarly, cos 130 degree, cos 130 degree value, cos 130 degree, 130 degree, it is in second quadrant. 130 degree, it is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is positive or negative? Negative. So function will not change. Cos reference angle is 50 degree. 50 degree. 50 degree. So next third one. So tan 130 degree. So it is so in second quadrant tan is negative. Minus tan 50 degree. This is how we find trigonometric function, values of trigonometric functions. If the angles are more than 90 degree, I go for one more angle, students. So 90. 120 degree. 120 degree. I try to find it directly without figure. Without figure, Marana. So right there. Reference angle is, whenever reference angle required, you go for subtracting by 180 degree. Reference angle is reference angle is 180 degree minus 120 degree. I think how much is 180 minus 120? 60 degree. 60 degree. Now you go for writing that sine 120 degree. Sine 120 degree. Sine, so right, 120 degree. So you count the students, 120 degree belongs to which quadrant? Which quadrant that 120 degree belongs? It belongs to second quadrant, more than 90. In second quadrant, sine is positive. Sine, tell me reference angle, 60. Sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree value root 3 by 2. So next, so right, cos 120 degree. Cos 120 degree. Again 120 degree. It is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative. Negative according to ASTC. Negative. Cos, tell me reference angle, 60 degree. 60 degree. So cos 60. Why cos 60? Is that cos 60 root 3 by 2, students? No. Cos 60 it is not root 3 by 2 because sin 60 root 3 by 2. Sin 60 root 3 by 2 ಆದಮೇಲೆ cos 60 root 3 by 2 ಆಗಲ್ಲ. It must be 1 by 2. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Be confident. 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. Next, tan 120 degree. So tan 120 degree. So right. So tan second quadrant. In second quadrant, 120 degree belongs to second quadrant, 90 plus theta. So in second quadrant, tan is negative. In second quadrant, tan is negative. Function will not, that tan, tell me reference angle, 60 degree. How much is tan 60? I told you to buy 3 numbers, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3. Tan 60 must be root 3. So if angle is big, so number is also big. Bigger the angle, number is also big. Root 3. So it is minus root 3. I hope you understood, friends. So let us have one more angle. Let us take one more angle. So right there. So 300 degree. So 300 degree. So right there. So 300 degree. So 300 degree is nearest to 360. You go for subtracting by 360. Reference angle is, for subtraction you use either 180 degree or 360 degree, because angle between x-axis and terminal ray is called reference angle. Angle between x-axis and terminal ray is called reference angle. So reference angle is so 360 degree minus 300 degree. So it is 60 degree. So right. Now go for one by one. Sine 300 degree. Sine 300 degree. So which quadrant is it? First you confirm the quadrant. So 270, up to here it is 270. 270 plus theta. 270 plus means fourth quadrant. 300 degree means fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sine is negative. In fourth quadrant, sine is negative. Sine reference angle. Tell me reference angle. 60 degree. 60 degree. Sine 60 root 3 by 2. So minus root 3 by 2. Minus root 3 by 2. So right there. Similarly, cos 300 degree. So right, in fourth quadrant, cos is positive, cos 60 degree. So right, sin 60 root 3 by 2. So if sin 60 degree becomes root 3 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So tan 60 degree, tan 300 degree. So right, in fourth quadrant, tan is negative. So it is tan. Tell me reference angle. 60 degree. 60 degree. So tan reference angle is 60 degree. So tan 60 minus root 3. In this way, you can find values of all trigonometric functions if the angles are more than 90. Right? I hope you understood. Let us stop this class, friends. Practice well. Thank you.